want to continue our template, WhatsApp template for part two. We've already done the part one. So this is our part one to complete it with our features, our contact us, and our footer, something like this. So we stop in our part one, learn more. This is section one. Now I want to continue in part two. So now we stop at the button. So now our button is already in section one. So let's continue with our section two. Call it the word section. Sections again. More sections. Let's call this our class so that we can reference this now CSS class. So this is our class, we call this sections. Section two. Section two. So this is our section. Feature one. Features. Features, so paragraph. Feature. Features one. Paragraph. Features two. Features two. Paragraph. Features three. Features three. So here of our break. So what our break one, break F2, 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 break F3. So now our section two Navbar class. Let's call our section three. Section three. So inside our section three we have H2 contact us, paragraph. You can reach us at thought. What our footer, footer, our at copy 2026. Now let's see our results. Some our results. These are our features have F1, F2 features, one feature to contact us, our copy. No, we want it to look exactly like this. So before you link our CSS with our CSS, so with our HTML. So next thing to do is to move to our CSS and style them all. So now let me start our CSS, style the CSS. Let's go into our section, section 2, text align, center, or section 3, or background color, white, and color, 2, save, 3, P, horizontal, main, height, 200 pixel, a text align, center, or margin bottom to be minus 50 pixel. Can you see now? Let's see the results. Check the results now. Section 2. So this our section 2 test align. Now is to move to center in our section 2. Don't forget our section 2 is our features, feature 1, feature 2. So move them to center. That's what I'm talking about. That is the center, our features, move them to center, our contacts, move them to center. So let's continue with this. In section 3, in the paragraph, these are paragraphs. Paragraphs. So our margin left of height 100 pixel. Our display, now this is grid. Can you see display grid, grid templates, template columns, one FR, one FR, FR, one FR, grid template rows, one FR, one FR, FR. Now our footer, this is our footer, copy 2026, which is this, our footer, which is this. So I want to style our footer as well. So our style of CSS, it's called the word footer. Footer, background color, dark blue, color, white, our text align, center to move everything to center, our padding 10 pixel 0. Yes, guys, can you see it look exactly like this? They're both the same, right? They're both the same. Yes. So you are now, guys, we come to the end of our website template. It's now full. We build it and we completed everything. So it look exactly like the one I showed before. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and share. Thank you. And subscribe. Thank you.